Hey, what is up, investors? Jason here. So we're going to be doing a technical analysis of Cardano, picking up where we left off in the last video, where we had talked about ADA looking like it's possibly going to break out here soon. Now we still got a lot of sideways trading going on at the moment here, looking at the hourly chart, but we do have some good news coming out with Cardano, and that is that just woke up today with a notification from Robinhood saying that Cardano is now available on Robinhood. So that's a good thing right there, because now that's giving Cardano more exposure. Robinhood is one that, as we know, what it has done for Dogecoin and some other cryptocurrencies, it's really been able to help crypto move a bit. So this opens up for a lot more investors that don't want to pay the fees that a lot of the other exchanges do have. So that's one exciting thing. But anyways, let's get into this technical analysis, and we'll get into some news that is currently out there. So as we do, if you don't mind, please do me a huge favor. Please be sure to smash this story, annihilate, or just gently press that like button. Helps me out a lot with the algorithm, helps spread the content to more people that might find it interesting. And subscribe and push that bell notification if you have not already. Let's get to it. So let's just get to some news real quick before we get into the technical analysis. And that is that the Vasil Hard Fork is just so much closer to actually being launched on the mainnet. Now, all the metrics that needed to be complete to get that launched on the mainnet, they are completing. So they're inching much closer to it actually launching. Now, a couple things that we're waiting for is for the exchanges to be updated. Now, we have some of the big ones in progress. Some of them are already completed. And we also have the different large dApps on Cardano. They also need to be tested and make sure that everything is working well. So we have a handful of those that are complete and tested, and some of that are in testing right now, and then just others that are just still waiting. But these metrics here are what is left, and then that will trigger the launch of the Vasil Hard Fork on the mainnet. Now, there is going to be some time that it's going to take to do such. As you can see here, we're expecting about 11 days after that's all complete for the actual launch to actually come out. So that's the process that's in the works right now. So hopefully nothing else really takes that much longer. It looks like everything is now falling in place. So I would not be surprised if we don't see this the same day as the as we see the Ethereum merge. That's what it's really looking like right now at this moment. And in good timing with everything that's going on, Robinhood finally lists Cardano on their platform. So looking here on the 4-hour chart, you can see that we are attempting to pump right now. So hopefully that's going to be the case. Now expect here within this next series of waves that we're starting using here Elliot Wave theory, that we are going to see things be bullish here. Now we had 5 bearish waves. Hopefully we retrace all this with 5 bullish waves. Now, looking over at this current Fibonacci level that we're holding at, this is one that we have a lot of support. This is where we keep bouncing off of when we attempt to get into these higher Fibonacci levels, retrace a lot of those losses, but we're not succeeding, at least right now. But we have that catalyst that we've been waiting for. So if we can succeed here, what I expect to see within this corrective wave that we will see are A, B, and then our C wave hopefully be the one that is going to be taking us right out of this Fibonacci level, and then we can start to test these other Fibonacci levels. Now, this yellow line here, that's our 50% retracement line. That is 50% of this entire run from when we had gotten that price. It was around 60 cents. That was our that was the beginning of our bearish wave, but that was our 5th wave in the previous wave structure. That is where we need to go back and retrace. So we need to get back to that price of 60 cents, and hopefully we will end up breaking through that, possibly even within this next 5 wave structure that we do have, and that be the scenario that we're going to be going on. So that's what I'm expecting. As you know, like I said, as long as everything goes well with all these updates, we can be looking at the Vasil Hard Fork coming out 11 days after that. So hopefully within these next 2 weeks, we'll see that online. And worth mentioning, the last 5 waves that we did see that went from August 13th on into August 28th. So that was 2 weeks. So if we can see this retracement take about the same amount of time. That's what I'm going for. That's what I'm hoping that we see happen. So crossing my fingers there. But anyways, I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions about all this. So please like, share, comment, and subscribe. New content coming out all the time. Plenty of cryptocurrencies to be talking about. And I'm going to have another one updated today. Thanks for watching.